Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ast. Today we are taking a look at the silicone cover by Samsung for the Galaxy S10e. And the box is fairly simple and there's no surprises really because you can already see what is inside it. But the question remains what it is like to unbox. And to open it you just push a nail in here and then you have a perforated area that is supposed to make it easier to open, and I just ripped it to shreds, but that's okay, because after all it is not the packaging that we care about, it is what's inside, and I doubt that this would ever be reused. So, with that in mind, I'm just gonna rip away here and we'll see what we get. Okay, so I thought it would be easy, but it's actually rather difficult. You gotta pry at it a little bit. And then you have the silicone cover like so, and there's a foam piece that you have to remove, and then there is some instructions for how to apply it, I imagine, and then this is it. This is what it looks like. It looked shiny outside the box, but it's actually got a rather unshiny finish, but it seems fingerprint resistant, no fingerprints, very nice. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 because while it was easy to open, I do enjoy when packages don't have to look like this when you're done opening the product. But the important thing is that it was very easy to open and you didn't even have to use any external tools. You can see here that I had the knife ready just in case, but it was clearly not needed in this case. So overall a 9 out of 10 experience, very quick and easy. And I do make 8-bit music if you like that sort of stuff, so I'll put a link in the video description, you can check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video on all your social media and tell all your friends about it. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.